A light magnitude 2.3 earthquake hit 95 kilometers, 59 miles, away from Ashburton, Canterbury, New Zealand, late in the evening of Saturday, May 10, 2025 at 10:09 p.m. local time, GMT+12. The quake had a very shallow depth of 5 kilometers, 3.1 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, GEONET, NZ. After 1 minute. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.